Lanterns over limestone, fountains counting stars. Granite holds a promise, signed in working hours. Velvet air, a checklist, breathe in gold. Doors glide open, discipline takes hold. Roots like a ribbon, city bends to grace. Chrome makes cursive on the nighttime face. Schedule on the dashboard, courage on the dial. Pressure turns to perfume in a measured mile. Windows blur the doubts we left behind. Every gear a contract with the spine. If thunder speaks, translate it into stride. If gates are heavy, teach them how to slide. Map too narrow, stretch it with a plan. Speed is just commitment in the hand. Runway and Riviera, ocean burns in lines. Rubber writes the anthem, fortune underlines. Runway and Riviera, headlights blast the bay. We turn a silence someday into today. Luxury is effort with a steady aim. Mansion road horizon sign. Then
Grip, lock, launch, lead, let the future read. Grip, lock, launch, lead.
neon beads of scripture on the glass. Echo learns obedience when we pass. Every note we filed into a stare. Climbed until the skyline learned to care. Carbon whispers mercy to the steel. Dawn rehearses victories we feel. Wake like satin under painted cliffs. Harbor mirrors habits into gifts. Calendar exhaling on the deck. Minutes bloom like laurels on the neck. Distance bows, the compass doesn't shake. Oat stays warm across the lake. Cabin hush, a runway silver thread. Clouds make room for everything we said. If storms debate, we answer with design. Lift the weight, engrave the climb. Choirs in the rafters of the night. Brass like beacons, aim and light. 808s align the fight. Runway and Riviera, standard cast and glow. Driveway in to take off, streets into a flow. Runway and Riviera, discipline is crowned. We press tomorrow upward, pin it down. From marble to motor to miles of sky, we keep the vow and qualify.
If you need a sign, stand up brave. Join the pace where purpose leads. Follow like and lock the creed.
Engines rest, the oath keeps time. Moonlight audits every climb.
Night signs off, morning prime.